slow and very inefficient. It sounds like this. 1, 2, 3.
Our team has come up with a radical idea that is the transportation model for the next generation. And it sounds like this. 1, 2,
3. I will be talking about transportation challenges. Our team has researched about transportation, and we have also talked to our mayor, who is on the VTA committee, about transportation. We made a blog to put our findings. We learned that roads are always congested, and there are not enough roads for all the cars. We have formed a new idea. Transportation is always changing. Our new idea is a flying car called the Smarter Car. The Smarter Car will be able to fly as well as drive. It will take off and land vertically so that it doesn't take up a lot of room. It will run on eco-friendly fuel to avoid increasing global warming. Cars going in different directions will fly at different altitudes so that there won't be chaos. The car will be able to fly very quickly, which will make it convenient for long distance trips. The driver will be able to relax because there will be an autopilot feature. There will be many safety devices built in to make it as safe as possible. We've come up with some design constraints for the Smarter Car. They are size, safety, and navigation. We've combined the GPS and the GIS so the driver has the fastest and safest route possible. We have also some safety mechanisms for the Smarter Car. There are sensors for speed and airbags on the outside of the car. Pivoting propellers, solar panels, collapsible wings, and parental control will be explained later in the presentation.
It will have 2 pivoting propellers at the ends of the wings, and it will take off and land like a helicopter with the propellers pointing up. For level flight, the propellers will be pointing forward like a regular plane. And if there is an accident, there will be an airbag and a parachute for the car. And it will convert solar power and water into hydrogen fuel to make the car run.
As our Smarter Car will be flying in the air, there will be no needs for roads or bridges. There will be no need for traffic lights because different directions can fly at different altitudes. We will need more satellites for GPS and GIS systems.
In order for our Smarter Cars to work, we need a vision just like the Eisenhower Interstate System. Today, many companies are creating prototypes of these flying cars based on military vehicles. Once they are produced, they will cost a lot of money, but once they're mass-produced, they will cost just like a regular car. These will be very safe for training schools and air traffic rules, so to provide the safest flight. We won't be using fossil fuels, but instead cheap natural fuel. And people are always willing to try new things, especially if it's helping the environment. And with the government push and legislation like Cash for Clunkers, it's going to become very successful.
I see a bright future. It's a paradigm shift, so it's out of ordinary idea. It'll be less congestion. It'll be safer and quicker since it's autopilot and a car will take you anywhere you want. So it'll be greener transportation, so it'll run on green fuel. So it's earth friendly. It allows expansion since we could put, instead of expanding on land, we could put multiple lanes in the air. It's stress-free transportation, so it's easy to multitask while the car drives you. It's better for long distance transportation since it goes faster without any human, it'll go fast and directly to its route.
Our team's goal is to aim at the worldwide community because we feel it is time to change the way the world thinks about transportation. Our Smarter Car will fulfill the needs of faster, cheaper, and better cars, and along with environmentally friendly. Here's our team's blog, and we'll take questions and answers now.
Excellent job. So what kind of research did you do and deciding that you were going to do a Smarter Car?
We researched about anything like smart transportation, and we saw the flying car, which we liked the idea.
Where did you see the flying car at?
We just like on Google we were researching and we saw the transportation.
Excellent.
So, and you guys said you talked to the mayor?
Yes.
Did you talk to anybody else, or did you use anything like besides the internet to do your research? I mean, the mayor was great. That was a good idea.
He gave us most of the information.
Yeah.
So you got
Plus
one.
He's on the BTA.
Because
Yeah,
he knows a
he's
lot about
also-
transportation.
Because it's on the valley transportation.
Very good.
Do you think one day we'll actually have flying cars?
Yes.
Yes.
One day.
If we have determination.
There's one coming
People
out,
are
one
determined.
car, the transition. It's
Yeah.
supposed to come out in 2011 or 12,
Okay,
and it's a flying car, but it'll be pretty expensive.
Yeah.
So,
Now that parachute thing, did you guys come up with that, or is there something have that on it?
Well, there's like experimental things, but we thought it'd be like a good safety mechanism to have.
We combined
Yeah.
the research and combined all the features into one car, like which we liked.
And how did you guys divvy up the work for this project?
Like we had
We all worked together at first, and then like near the end when we wanted to like finish everything up, we kind of divided everybody up, and then so like half the people worked on robotics, and then the other half worked on the presentation, so that we could finish it.
excellent. Anything that you learned, while researching your smart air car? Yes.
Brazil has a great, I think, ethanol program where they use ethanol and it's like it's good for the environment and it's a main source of their energy.
Fantastic.
And who did you guys share this project with?
We shared with most of the parents.
Most of the
Yeah,
parents, yeah.
parents before we came here.
Excellent job, guys. Nice job. All right, so you are good to go. Have a great rest of your day. Did you have a good morning?
Thank you.
thank you.